All right, everyone, yes, you read that right. I do believe this trend line right here from all-time high is going to break before the low here at 76, 77K, whatever it was for BTC. We're going to go over why I think that. I am quite literally long for it. Been showing you guys my long. Even though we got this dump today, I see you. I see you. We're dumping. I'm not worried. All right, let's break it down. I did post this over on X. Follow me on X if you want just a quick little picture analysis, daily content over there. Chart_junkies on X. Drop a follow. But I can see if we keep pushing down, 80K is in the cards. 80K is in the cards. I'm going to go over that count. But I do see a very bullish count as well for BTC setting up. I'm over on Blowfin. I'm still in my long. I'll pop that up for you. Still in my long. We've been taking profit on the way up. It's a winning trade no matter what. Over on BitUnix, still in my Solana long. And just kind of hanging out, letting this stuff play out, All right. Now, let's go over real quick from these lows. Number one, if this low breaks before we get out of this trend line, I mean, I don't think it's going to be a quick break, guys. It'll be like 65K. It'll be like 65K. I don't want to think about that. I don't want to look at that. But either way, this looks like a finished correction to the downside right now. I don't want to see it go any lower. Now, the way this wave structure is playing out, it's tricky. It's tricky. A lot of ups and downs, a lot of liquidity sweeps. That's just kind of how trading's been. It's kind of how trading's been. You got to take profit when you can. And I'm entered from down here on BTC. I'm not afraid to re-enter if we come down to these levels. Let's go over the max bullish case right now. This isn't my primary scenario, but I'm here for it nonetheless. I like the way it looks. I have a 1 into a 2 wave, an Elliott wave 1-2, into another 1-2. This is very long in time, hence why I'm not a huge fan of this idea. Into another 1-2. When you get a series of 1-2s like this, you're set up for an extremely bullish 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5. Like when you get a nest of 1-2s, it means a breakout's coming. If we push above and take this out, guys, I'm not saying we're just going to quickly break the trend line. I'm saying we're going to smash through this trend line and get a very big impulsive wave to the upside, and I'm here for it. I'm here for it. But again, I'm long from down here. So I'm chilling right now. I'm letting this play out, letting this do its thing. I'm not trying to flop around too much. If I learn one thing in trading, if you flop around too much, you will smoke yourself. So you got to have a little bit of conviction and direction and put yourself in good opportunities, good positions to capitalize on those opportunities. That's how it's done, baby. Now, if we come down to 80K, if we creep a little lower, I'm honestly probably going to get out of my position and wait until we get to 80K. And the reason for that is, we'll hop on over to the chart I posted on X. I can see this flat playing out here. And, you know, if this flat plays out, we can go a number of different ways with it. I'm not going to get too much into the future details. We'll lock in on right now. I do see a correction down, a correction up, and then an impulse on its way down. I did share this idea just to bring it to your attention in yesterday's video or the day before, because it is on the table. And if we hit down here, I do have fib targets, and the reason I have 80K in mind, there's a bunch of liquidations down at 80K right at these lows. Let's come take out this low right here. And it depends on how this wave progresses down. Zooming in just real quick. For the C leg, you're going to want to see an impulsive wave to the downside. So most likely what you're going to see, I'm just drawing this trend line here. Trend line doesn't matter. It's just where liquidity is. That's it. 1, 2, 3. Mess around on the trend line for 4. Break down for 5. That's probably what your 5-wave impulse is going to look like. Just something for you guys to watch out for. I do see a nice big bounce coming around 80K. Like I said, might want to sweep this liquidity down in here before we take off. And then if this does play out, you better believe I'm hopping back in my longs. Nothing has changed here. I'm still bullish. On the daily time frame, we're going to go over, if we come down to 80K, what the wave structure is going to look like following that in just 1 second, guys. Just want to show you. On the daily time frame, we're breaking out of this daily trend line resistance on the RSI. Love to see it. Everything looks like it wants to curve up for us. The 12-hour, but there is bullish divergence on the 12-hour, the 10-hour, the 8-hour. It's there, and it's ready. Just from these lows right here, it is there. Bullish divergence. Now, I put more weight in those larger time frames than I do on what's going on in the smaller time frames. So I let that kind of steer me in the right direction with my trades. Let's say we get this move down to 80K. Let's say we get this move down to 80K. The first thing I'm going to be looking for is just a simple, which I have drawn in right here, zigzag correction, up to about 90K. Let's come sweep liquidity above this trend line. Again, like I'm saying, the trend line will get broken before this low at 76K. And then from there, if it wants to come down and take everything out, it definitely can. We can put in a flat right here and just impulse down and put in more of a diagonal 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we can correct up out of here. But that'll get us down to like 65K, 67K, somewhere in there. Either way, I see liquidity getting swept above this trend line in a big way. Watch for a swing fail here, guys. You don't want to see a swing fail and just an absolute dump wave. If I see signs of that, I'm getting the hell out. And that's if we come down to 80K. If we turn around here and we come through this trend, break through this trend line, tonight into this weekend into Monday, I'm seeing a big impulse wave coming. Don't get me wrong, I'm here for it. Not holding my breath though. The way this market's been, I am not holding my breath. But I can see it coming and taking out 76K if we come and bust this trend line. Then there's potential. Still wouldn't even be my primary idea. If we come and take this trend line out after we hit 80K, I'm looking for an ending diagonal still. Still looking for this ending diagonal. Come down, retest the breakout of that trend line. Keep pushing our way to the upside to finally take out this all-time high here. That's what I would be looking for. That's what I would be playing. I wouldn't be playing this down move in here. Can we come and take this out and then correct later? Sure, guys, we sure can. If we dip any lower than this, I'm ruling all-time high in. All-time high is in for me if we keep coming lower. I don't want the party to end quite yet. I think one more little high is coming. One more hit to the all-time high is coming. And I just don't want the party to end yet, guys. So this is how I'm playing it. I'm sitting in my longs, being patient. I want this low to hold on the smaller time frames. After this dump, I got a nice ABC kind of structure here. Disregard everything else. We're bouncing off the 1-to-1 quite nicely, actually. Can we hold this? Can we start pushing to the upside? I'm hoping so, because that's a real bullish wave to me. That's a 1-2, 1-2, 1-2. Let's go. But I'm prepared for anything. Already locked in nice profits. Gonna probably close the rest if we start hitting down lower. And I'll look to re-enter at 80K. I'm chilling. I'm good. This is trading, guys. This is trading. You can't get worked up over every little move up, every little move down, flopping around. You really can't. Take your shots where the opportunities lie. Be happy with it. Take profit. Pay yourself on the way up or the way down, whatever direction you're going. That's how it's done. If you guys want help with trading, join the premium Discord. All my trades are posted in there. We do live streams, so much more. Link for that's pinned in the first comment down below. Blowfin, Bit, Unix are my two main exchanges. Go check them out. Got some goodies for you down below as well if you click those links. No KYC, the best no KYC exchanges out right now. Drop a follow on X, chart_junkies. See you in tomorrow's video. Trade safe. Like the video if you watched us all the way through. Smash the like button. Love you. Bye.